सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Page 319, verse 229. चिदाभासे स्वतः कोऽपि ज्वरो नास्ति यतश्चितः प्रकाशैकस्वभावत्वम् एव दृष्टं न चेतरत्। Vidyaranya talking about the Anujvara, which is caused by the intellectual confusion. Intellectual confusion means because of ignorance, the intellect is not able to recognize that I am free from sorrow. Sorrow cannot be there in me, the Sakshi. That intellect do not know. So that intellect is a confused, deluded intellect. We have to give knowledge. In Swami Dayananda Saraswati's expression, a cognitive change. Cognitive change at intellectual level. Problems are at intellectual level only. I am sorrowful, I am suffering. This type of thinking is called Anujvara. Anujvara means a notion at intellectual level. I am a sufferer. I have a lot of problems. I am in a great problem. I am miserable. I am sick. These are all come under a wrong perception towards oneself, one's nature. Therefore, shoka nivritti means nothing but anujvara nivritti. Shoka nivritti means removal of sorrow. Removal of sorrow is nothing but removal of anujvara. Removal of anujvara alone is possible. Vedanta cannot give any remedy for sthula sharira jvara. Vedanta cannot give any remedy for sukshma sharira jvara. Vedanta cannot give any remedy for karana sharira jvara. Karana sharira jvara ajnanam, Sukshma Sharira Jvara Raga Dvesha, all emotions, Sthula Sharira Jvara in the form of Vata Pitta Kapha, imbalance, diseases, unavoidable, no remedy at all. If removal of this Jvara at three body levels itself is moksha, removal of these three jvaras at three body levels alone is moksha. Suppose Vedanta can never give moksha at all. Scriptural study, Vedanta cannot guarantee any moksha. If jvara of these three bodies removal alone is moksha, Vedanta also say namaskaram, I cannot enter in that field because three sharirams jvara, I the Vedanta That means Upanishadic scriptural teaching cannot give any solution. Therefore, that is not samsara. That is why Vedanta is not touching the jvara of three bodies. Why? Three bodies jvara at three levels of three bodies, and jvara cannot be removed by the Upanishadic teaching, because it is not the cause for samsara. Jvara of three bodies is not the cause for samsara. Therefore, Vedanta says, why I have to remove those jvarams when it is not a samsara karanam? I need not see for remedy to remove the jvara at three body levels. Since it is not the samsara karanam, I don't want to touch that matter. Vedanta says, I don't want to touch that matter because it is not the cause for samsara. Cause for samsara is something else, not the jvara. What is the cause for samsara? The cause for samsara is, I am sufferer, I am miserable, I am in great problem. This notion is cause for samsara. That I can remove. Vedanta says, I have solution for that. Which is caused by adhyasa, which is cognition, wrong concept, misconception. Caused by misconception, I am a sufferer, I am a miserable person, I am a sick person, I am in great problem. This type of thinking caused by adhyasa is removable. That alone is cause for samsara. This samsara I can remove by giving you the spiritual educational program. That is why you see doctors, allopathy, homeopathy, Tirupati, all pathis are out at three levels. That's what Upanishad also says. Don't struggle to destroy or remove these three jvarams at three levels of three bodies. That is not your real suffering. Your suffering is because of identification with that jvarams. Identification is the cause. Because of adhyasa, you are identifying with those jvarams. If you don't identify with those jvarams, there is no samsara. Identifying with those jvarams of three bodies is called anujvara. Identifying with the three jvarams of three bodies alone is called anujvara. Anujvara is the cause for your samsara. Anujvara can be removed. Anujvara can be eliminated through spiritual educational program that successfully I can teach, you can learn and come out successfully. Our job is over. Scripture's job is also over. Teacher's job is also over. Student job is also over. Vedanta study also over. By the removal of anujvara. Shariram anujvara. Shariram anu means following with, along with Chidabhasa, along with three bodies mixed up, messed up. How this Chidabhasa, Vyavaharika Satya, Chidabhasa, Mithya, and these three bodies are also matter, Mithya, Jadam. How this Jadam can cause suffering? How this Jadam and Jadam can cause, both of them are inert. How they can cause suffering or problem or samsara? Acharya is going to explain that anujvara. Unless you know the anujvara thoroughly, without analyzing anujvara, you cannot treat the Anujvara. Diagnose the Anujvara and treat the Anujvara, get cured. Now we are diagnosing the Anujvara and then we give treatment. Then we are free from that sickness, cognitive sickness. It's not an emotional problem. Even samsara is not an emotional problem. Samsara is a sheer intellectual problem. Therefore, Acharya says, Chidabhase swataha kopi jvaraha nasti. In Chidabhasa, what do you mean by Chidabhasa? Reflected consciousness. Chidabhase swataha, originally, intrinsically, naturally, by itself, kopi jvaraha nasti. There is no jvara at all. There is no vata, there is no pitta, there is no kapha to ahankara, the Chidabhasa. Not only that, there is no raga, there is no dvesha, there is no other shama, dama, uparama, all in ahankara, they are all not there. Prapti, aprapti of these sukha, dukkha, raga, dvesha, all are not there in ahankara. Originally, swataha. That swataha is very important. This boy is, the sandalwood is originally fragrant. But because of association with the dirty water, the sandalwood gets foul smell. Originally it doesn't have any foul smell because of association with the mud water. Similarly, ahankara, like a sandalwood, associated with durgandha, sthula sharira, sukshma sharira, karana sharira. Because of that association, bad association, ahankara become bad. Therefore, swataha kopi jvaraha nasti. Even in ahankara, originally there is no ajnanam also. In ahankara, originally there is no ajnanam. Ajnanam is in karana shariram, not in Chidabhasa. Carefully you have to listen. Ajnanam, ignorance is not in ahankara. Ahankara is nothing but Chidabhasa. Chidabhasa means RC. RC means reflected consciousness. Reflected consciousness is free from ajnanam. Ajnanam is in karana shariram. Therefore, swataha kopi jvaraha chidabhase na asti. Yataha chidabhase swataha jvaraha na asti ataha. Why? What is the reason? It is not possible to have jvara in chidabhasa because prakashaika swabhavatvam eva drishtam. The Chidabhasa nature is prakashaika swarupam. It is of the nature of consciousness. Chidabhasa is abhasa of chit, light of consciousness. It is a reflected consciousness. So in that reflected consciousness, prakashaika swabhavam, there cannot be any jvaram. I gave the example in the last class, do you remember? Sun, original sun, reflecting sun. And the reflecting sun in the mirror, reflected sun will not have any dirt, even though that reflected sun is associated with the mirror, mirror is having dirt. That dirt cannot touch the reflected sun. Surya Abhasa is touched by the dirt which belongs to the mirror. It is Surya Prakasha. Surya is there, Surya Prakasha reflecting in the mirror. Mirror has got the problem, that is dirt, muddiness. It cannot touch the reflected sun. Similarly, one more example, when you are looking into the waters, your face is very clear, reflected face is very clear. You put a stone, small stone in that water, and water is moving. Ripples have come, water has shaken and it is moving, and your reflected face also moves. But that reflected face, when it is moving, is it real moving of the reflected face, or because of water it is moving, appearing as the moving? Because of water it appears as the moving. Really, the movement of the reflected face is not belong to the face, reflected face. It belongs to the water. How much that reflected face is affected by the water which is moving? In another example, parungo. Similarly, your Chidabhasa is also like a reflected face. Mind disturbances all are like water, disturbed water. Mind is disturbed because son marriage matter, daughter's marriage matter, one stone. Father-in-law matters, daughter-in-law problem, and இது வந்து ஒரு கல்லு மாதிரி என்னமாட்டா மனசங்கிற வாட்டர்ல போட்டுட்டே இருக்கும். அப்போ இந்த அகங்காரம் வந்து இருக்கு, அப்படியே ஒரு அசத்தன் அசஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கு. அப்படி really can it be affected? Can that water touch the reflected face really? Reflected face is false. The water touching the reflected face and disturbing the face is false. Like that, Acharya is going to explain, once you remove this vata, pitta, kapha from the physical body doesn't exist. Once you remove raga, dvesha, kama, krodha from the subtle body doesn't exist. In gunas are only put together. Sattvika manaha, rajasa manaha. If you remove ajnana, karana shariram doesn't exist. If these three sharirams are not there, ahankara cannot exist. So therefore ahankara existing because of three sharirams. Ahankara, three sharirams, jwaram. How many are there? Three bodies connected, jwarams and chidabhasa. Put together, Vyavaharika Satyam. Vyavaharika Satyam is equal to Mithya. Then who is Satyam? Everything is Mithya. The Chidabhasa formed, Ahankara formed because of whom that Sakshi Chit is Satyam. A false entity cannot exist without real entity. False entity cannot exist without real. A false snake cannot exist without real rope. False snake doesn't exist without real rope. False shadow doesn't exist without the original person, the real person. Similarly, false ahankara, false bodies doesn't exist without the original chit. Original chit is satyam. Shadow, there is no tatparyam. Because of whom the shadow is there, that person is important or shadow is important? Do you feed your shadow also? Snake is not important. Rope is important. Because of whom this snake is appearing, that rope is, there is a tatparyam. Original only important. Adi madri, chitta alone is the tatparyam, important content. Chidabhasa and Chidabhasa, where they are reflecting Sukshma Shariram, because of which Stula Shariram, they are all because of Karana Shariram, they are all only mediums. Why can't we understand? This Chidabhasa is Prakashaha. Prakashas Swabhavatvam. Its nature is Prakasha Swabhava. Chidabhasa nature is prakasha svabhavam because of consciousness, because of chit. The reflected sun nature is what? Prakasham or not? Why it is having prakasham? Because it is a reflection of sun. Sun is having prakasha swarupam. Sun's reflection also must be having prakasham. Since chitta also is of the nature of consciousness, prakasha swarupa means bright. Bright in the sense in whose presence things are known. Because of chit, chetanam, sentiency, borrowed by the chidabhasa, the chidabhasa has got prakasha svabhavam. Therefore, prakashaika svabhavatvam, only eka svabhavam. Chidabhasa is having only one thing, prakasha eka svabhavam. It doesn't have any vata pitta jvara or raga dvesha jvara or ajnana jvara. Eppadi irukka mudiyum? It is reflected consciousness. Na itarat. It doesn't have any jvara of any body. Na itarat drishtam. Prakashaika svabhavatvam eva natu jvaram asti chidabhase ahankare. Up to here we saw in the last class highly involved topic. We'll go to the next shloka 230. Same topic, Anujvara topic. Acharya continues. Chidabhasepya sambhavyaham jvara sakshinika katham evamapyekatam mene chidabhaso hyavidyayam. There cannot be any jvara in chidabhasa, but it appears as though it has got jvara. In chidabhasa itself, jvara cannot be there. Where is the question of jvara in chit? He says, chidabhase api asambhavyaha jvaraha. All these problems, sufferings, jvaram means not temperature. Jvara means any type of disease when you are not at ease is called disease. Sometimes sukham also gives problem. Too much immunity also gives problem. Too much sattvic nature also gives problem. Don't say always dukkham only gives dukkham. Sukham also gives dukkham. How sukham gives dukkham? Sukham poyudmemo nani dukkham. Sukham, how long it is going to be there, how long it is going to be there. What is the best example? When you are drinking maza, I don't want to say gold spot, Coca-Cola, I use maza. Edavadhu drink kudikkanavana adha nalladhu. Maza, mango juice you are drinking, hot summer, so nice sweet juice you are drinking. In the transparent bottle, not glass or anything. And you are drinking, enjoying. Are you enjoying or are you really not enjoying? You have to ask your own mind. Kila, you look at the bottom. It is going to over. I give 20 rupees for this bottle. Not only that, we say, previously bottles were very big. Now he has reduced the bottle size. Think bottle size he has reduced, and juice also it was full previously. Now only 3/4 only it is there. Am I enjoying mango juice? Am I thinking about the bottle? How much he has filled? And not only that, sometimes while drinking, which water he has mixed. Nowadays, water problem. Lot of water problem is there. Adulterated water he might have mixed. Tell me, people are all thinking you are enjoying maza. When you are drinking, they look at, aha, nicely this person enjoying maza. Now they interview your heart, internal mind. Really you are enjoying or not, and Bhagavanukku da theriyum. Adi madri sukham also gives dukkham. All these possible only in the body, not in the ahankara. Chidabhase api jvaraha na sakshinika katha. Where is the question of in sakshi these jvarams are possible? Swamini, 3 types of jvarams. There are 4th type of jvaram also. Suppose you say somebody, anybody, okay, they want to say 3 types of diseases only have given. Ajnana, karana sharira level, raga dvesha at sukshma sharira level, and vata pitta kapha sleshma at physical body level. Innor 4th group vechikalame ahankara level. Innor type of disease anna jvaram. Fortunately or unfortunately, no 4th group of jvaram is possible. Why? Anubhava viruddhatvat. Where enna adayalam venum? 4th group of diseases you cannot invent. Other than 3 types of diseases, you cannot invent 4th group of diseases, because anubhava viruddham. I am experiencing either vata caused diseases or pitta caused diseases or kapha caused problems I am facing. Anubhavam. And raga dvesha caused turmoil I am facing. Deep love and affection, care, that turmoil also I am facing. Ajnana caused also I am facing. These are all anubhava siddham. Anubhava prasiddham. Siddhavenna prakarshena siddham. But to my anubhava, I am not experiencing any other 4th type of disease to have in ahankara. Therefore, ahankara cannot have jvara. In ahankara itself, there is no jvara. What to talk of sakshi? Ahankara is the reflection of sakshi, chit. In ahankara, reflection of consciousness itself, there is no jvara. What to talk of its original? Reflected sun laye, there is no problem. Where is the question of problem in original sun? Adi madri, in ahankara itself there is no jvara. Where is the question of in sakshi? Kaimutika nyaya. Kaimutika nyaya means what to talk of nyaya. Kaimutika na kimu vaktavyam. Kimu vaktavyam nyaya. It is an axiom. What to talk of sakshi? When ahankara itself, in its reflection itself, there is no jvara. Sakshila jvaram irukuma? Irukka mudiyadu. What do you want to say finally? Look into the words. Chidabhase api jvaraha asambhavyaha sakshinika katha evam api ekatam mene chidabhasaha avidyaya. Since chidabhasa cannot have 4th type of disease, sakshi cannot have disease, but where is this problem? Jvara is not the cause for samsara, chit is not having jvara, and ahankara also cannot have jvara. If the problem, where is the problem is lying? Kandipudikkanam. You have to discover. Very invention, anveshana. 3 body levels, jvarams will not cause any samsara. Ahankara, there is no jvaram. In chidabhasa, chitta also there is no jvaram. Jvaram only is the cause for problem. In the 3 bodies, jvarams are mithya because sarirams are mithya, they are matter. Therefore, doesn't matter. Samsara, the suffering is because of anujvara. Where from this anujvara is coming? Enginindi varadu in the anujvaram. எங்கிருந்து பிறக்கிறது பார்க்கணும். இப்போ வேர் ஃப்ரம் இட் இஸ் கம்மிங் திஸ் அனுஜ்வர. ஆச்சாரியா சே செகண்ட் லைன்ல அவித்யா, பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் அவித்யா சிதாபாசः ஏகதாம் ஏவம் மேனே. This Chidabhasa, what it does? Identify with the three bodies. Ekatam mene. Mene means concluded. The Chidabhasa concludes. It concludes Manu Dhatu to consider. Mene. Chidabhasa concluded this Chidabhasa identity with the three sharirams because of avidya. Because of that it concludes. Come to a conclusion. What conclusion? I am suffering. Now he says only it is identifying with these three bodies and their jwarams. Because of that identification, Ahankara has come to one conclusion. Mene. Mene anna. Mene, menate, menire. Lit. Prathama Purusha, Ekavachanam. It has come to conclusion. Why it has come to conclusion? It has identified with these three bodies and it has come to conclusion. How it has come to conclusion? Next shloka he says, 231. Where is this Anujvara taking place? Sakshi satyatva madhyasya Svenopeteva pustrayem Tassarvam vastavam swasyam Swarupamiti manyate. In the previous verse, Acharya said, Ahankara identifies with three bodies and their jwarams. Because of this erroneous perception, what are the next consequences have taken place? Because of this avidyaya, it becomes one with these three bodies. Ekameva, ekatmata, thadatmyam. Because of avidya. Afterwards, chumma irukalamayonna. Aha, appudane drama start aharade. Because of erroneous perception, wrong conclusion, this Chidabhasa gives further problems. What are they? Sakshi satyatvam adhyasya Svena upete vapustraye. We have to supply. Chidabhasaha Svena upete. Along with Chidabhasa, within brackets you supply, along with itself, Svena means along with itself, Svena vapustraye upete. Vapustraya means along with itself, it associated with three bodies. Chidabhasa and three bodies become one now. It is associated with three bodies. Then what it does, and take the reality of that chit and mix up in this. Having identified with the three bodies, and these three bodies are mithya, there is no satyatvam. Ahankara is also mithya, there is no satyatvam. But the satyatvam of Sakshi it takes. That is why it became Chidabhasa. No? The brightness, the light of the sun, this light, reflected sun taken. Is it not? The light of the sun is, the light is there in the reflected sun or not? If I show a mirror, you might have seen some car will park in opposite to me, exactly, many times. And the car kannadi, enna pannum theriyumo, and it reflects the sun. And the reflected sun in kannula padum correct in moonji mela padum. That reflected sun has borrowed the light and spreading that light here. You might have seen many times that. That's why once in a while I look at that opposite. Inikku munnu kadiyadu car irukka kana kannadi reflecting kannadi irukilla. Adi madri the brightness of the sun it takes and it reflects here. Similarly, the Satya Chit and the Satyatvam it takes in the sense it superimpose upon itself and upon the bodies. And in the pakkathilindi Satyatvam it takes from Chit, from bodies Jwaram it takes. In the moodulindi Jwaram it borrows and superimpose, and Chittilirindi Satyatvam it superimpose. In the suffering, in the Satyatvam சேர்ந்து என்ன ஆகும்? Suffering is Satyam. கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம்தான் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். In the Ahankara, Chidabhasa has got a capacity. See the reflected sun there. It has got a capacity to reflect my face or not. Is it having original light? That mirror, is having original light, prakasham of its own? But what it does? It has got a capacity borrowing the light and superimpose that light upon my face. Yes or no? This is a practical example. புரியறதில்லையா? அங்கிருந்து லைட் வாங்கி இங்கே போட்டுட்டு அது மாதிரி here also now it is getting attention. இங்க லைட் வந்ததுனால நீங்க வெளியில பார்ப்பீங்க என்ன இருக்குன்னு. Actually, because of what light is falling here, you look there only. It is becoming prominent. It is becoming prominent. It is becoming prominent because of whom really? Sun. But we never bother about that sun. We all look at that mirror only. That mirror draws the attention because of this face. Face or some other object. The light comes here. Immediately you look there. In my house it is happening like that. Where I am staying, on the road they park lot of vehicles. And the two-wheelers they park. Exactly 12 o'clock and the sun reflection fall on that two-wheeler kannadi mirror. And the reflection light exactly comes into my room. My room is so bright, another kannadi I can see there. And because of this I look there, what vehicle is there? That vehicle light is really borrowed from the sun. Adi madri the Chit, Satya Chit, and the Satyatvam taken means superimposed by this Ahankara upon this Jwara. Because this Ahankara identified, they are not separate, they are all together, very close. Here objects are separate, but here Chit, wherever Chit is there is Chidabhasa. Wherever Chidabhasa is there is Sukshma Shariram. Where is Sukshma Shariram is there is Sthola Shariram. Sukshma Shariram taniya irukadu, irunda prayatham adu. Sukshma Shariram irukra idathula da Sthula Shariram is there. Sthula Sukshma Shariram cannot exist without Karana Shariram. Therefore they are all together. Therefore reflected consciousness, whenever you say, you are automatically accepting Chit. Reflected consciousness irukumbodhu consciousness irukka illaya? Chit is there. Reflected consciousness to be there, mediums are there or not? There. So the mediums, three bodies, Chit and Chidabhasa, all are together. Up that Chidabhasa superimpose the Satyata of the Chit. And because of identification with these three bodies and Jwarams, and in the Satyatva edutittu poi and Jwarathukku kudutudum. It superimposes. Ahankara does this job. The Satyatvam of the Chit, Jwara of three bodies mixed together. Ipo ennachi? Jwarams are Satyam. Who did that job? Ahankara. Because of ignorance. That is what happening. This shloka is very important shloka. Sakshi satyatvam api asya svena upete vapustraye. Vapustraye, along associated with three sharirams, ahankara, and sakshi satyatvam, it mix up tat sarvam vastavam swasya swarupam iti manyate. Up that time, this reflected consciousness considers this ahankara, ego is there in a lower eye. Who is this Chidabhasa? Ahankara. Who is this ahankara? Lower eye. Lower eye is vachyartha eye. Eye la rendu irukka illaya? In the lower eye, superimposing the satyatvam upon these three bodies, because it is associated with three bodies. Because of association with three bodies and satyatvam, and it gives vastavam swasya swarupam iti manyate. Tat sarvam. Tat sarvam means what? Sthula sharira jvara, sukshma sharira jvara, and karana sharira jvara. Along with jvara only it says vastavam, shariram also vastavam. It gives vastavata to sharirams and jvarams, are only to jvarams. It cannot give only to jvaram. Why? Jvarams cannot exist separate from the bodies. Therefore, what we saw? Tantu, Pata, Bala and Kambali. Adi madri, Sharirams is equal to Jvara. Jvara is equal to Sharirams. Therefore, it gives reality, this Satyata of Chit reality to this body, three bodies and three Jvarams. And consider what? Conclude. Jvaram. I am suffering. This suffering is real. Mental problems, real. Depression, real. Suppression, real. Anxiety, real. And physical problems, maha-real. Body is real. Bodily problems are real. This reality, where from it has taken? From Chit. Superimposing upon bodies. Why? It is associated with bodies. When you are sitting in the bus is moving. Are you moving or not? Movement of your body is body movement or bus movement? Why bus movement you are moving? Because you are in bus. Adi madri, in the ahankara, why it is disturbed? Because it is in the body. Sukshma shariram, sthula shariram. That is because of that association, because of the chidabhasa, taken the chidabhasa from the chit, and chidabhasa, chittunude satyata, and body nude jvarams ella mix panni, vastavam iti manyate. Vastavam iti manyate. This is called diagnosis. Dissection pandrom ipo nama. That sarvam. What is sarvam? Ajnana, raga, dvesha, prema, kama, krodha. All these emotions, what are all you are talking mentally, all this. And sharira jvarams, all are real. This real, they are real, that thought comes in the intellect. They are real, that thought, vritti comes in the intellect. That vritti is a wrong concept, misconception, born out of ignorance. In the intellect is not exposed to Panchadashi class. That is why they are all mixing up and messing up. Those who are not having spiritual educational program, they mix up and they mess up and they suffer. After coming to the Vedanta class itself, they are managing to suffer. What to talk of ordinary people? After coming to the class, I understand higher I, lower I, ahankara, ahankara is chidabhasa. Chidabhasa is identifying with the three bodies. Three bodies are having three types of diseases. They are all mithya, vyavaharikam. Ahankara is mithya, this is reflection. Reflection is because of chit. Chit alone is satyam, therefore they cannot be real. Who can understand? Tell me now. Only Vedantic student can understand. Is it possible to a common man? Vedantic student ke vambad 10 வருஷம் 15 வருஷம் திண்டாடின்னு இருக்கோம். இதுக்கே வெளியில வராமா இல்லையா இன்னும் சந்தேகம். அப்பப்போ வந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும் சுவாமினி கிளாஸ்ல செப்பல் போட்ட உடனே எல்லாமே வந்துடும். It is not so easy to come out of this avastavam, but thinking it is vastavam. Vastavam means real. Swasya swarupam. Ahankara thinks it is my swarupam, it is my nature. Whose nature? Unude nature. Ego nature. It is already kadan vaangiyachu chitthil irundhu. By itself it is jadam, and it doesn't have connection at all with the three bodies. Irukave mudiyadu. Aanalum manage panni eppadiyavathu and adhyasam moolama. That is why Pujya Swami says cognitive problem is equal to adhyasa. Cognitive problem. Therefore you have to tackle your cognition. That's a cognitive change. You have to change your wrong cognition. Adhyasa caused cognition. Intellectual level lo bumper put you have to drill panchadashi slokas. எவ்வளோ அகங்காரம் பாருங்க. மித்யா அகங்காரத்துக்கு போய் என்னமோ சுவாமி அம்மா பேசினா அது எல்லாம் அசத்தியமாகுமா என்ன? ஷீ இஸ் டாக்கிங், ஷீ ஹேஸ் நோ எனி அதர் ஜாப். எங்களுக்கு வேறு ஜாப் இல்லையா? இது சத்தியமா? இந்த அச்சு பிச்சு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் திங்ஸ் ஃபஸ்ட்டில் வரும்போது அஜ்ஞானத்தோட வீட்டுக்கு போனவுடனே அவங்க எல்லாம் சொல்லுவான், நீங்கள் கிளாஸில் சொன்னதெல்லாம் நிஜமாக எடுத்துக்காது. அந்த அம்மா அப்படி தான் சொல்லுவோம். Don't take it real. What I am saying is reality I am teaching, and they take that avastavam as vastavam. இது கதை இல்லை, நிஜம். ஆனாலும் what to do? வேதாந்த டீச்சர் என்ன கஷ்டம் பாருங்க. How difficult to teach the Chaitanya Satyatvam when they are superimposed by the student. Teacher is having lot of strength. Where from that strength has come? She can handle or he can handle hundreds of students because they are all standing on what? Thermocol or some other cardboard chair. கார்டுபோர்டு மித்யா ஒரு சேர் ஆன ஒரு மித்யா அகங்கார சரீரம் அது மேல உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்கான். It won't take much time to shake that for a teacher who has got clarity. Shaking in the sense, my job is not just shaking. I want to remove your ignorance. That's all. Not because of with my swanta sahityam. What I have received from my guru received from great acharyas, great acharyas received from the Upanishad. This is Upanishadic teaching. How much struggle Vedanta teacher is taking, you understand now? What you can repay to that such a guru? Look into the shloka. What a brilliant exposition of Vidyaranya. Tat sarvam vastavam swasya swarupam. Swasya swarupam. I have this problem, I have that problem, I am suffering, I am miserable. All this swasya swarupam iti manyate. Concludes, confirm, convinced. What? Delusion. Poduma? No one can easily remove that delusion. 1 day or 2 days, 3 days. Unless you spend a lot of time, dedicate your mind, body, everything to this teaching and learn, no one can help. Guru just take you to the Shastra. You have to think, understand. Next shloka. Etasmin bhranti kaleyam sharireshu jarastvatham swayameva jvaramiti मन्यते हि कुटुम्बिवत्. कुटुम्बिवतु मन्यते. कुटुम्बी the householder, kutumbi, the one who has got kudumi is kutumbi. Chumma chol rahe. And the kutumbi householder, his family has extended to at international level. All places family members are there. Somewhere California grandson fever tummal vandada. Inge vande enakku ore tummal iniki enna enoda tummal enakku tummal avanukku ingo irundha amma enakku problem suffer I am suffering enna avarukkaga poi temple poi pooja panni avara nakshatram solli அப்புறம் another granddaughter, another பையன் or son or family members, father, mother, their all sufferings are my sufferings. And they are having body temperature. அந்த temperature எனக்கு வரக்கூடாதோ, அவனுக்கு எதுக்கு பாவம்? எந்த அளவுக்கு பாருங்க பாசம். அந்த சின்ன குழந்தைக்கு எதுக்கு அந்த டெம்பரேச்சர் எனக்கு வரக்கூடாது, பகவான் எனக்கு கூட அந்த டெம்பரேச்சர் கேட்பா. ஏதோ that suffering as my suffering. Kutumbivat. First householder, then house held by the house. First I am holding the house, then house holds me. And this person cannot sleep, cannot eat because my family member is suffering. They are suffering. Why you are suffering? Many people are suffering. Why you are not suffering? But my family members suffering, only my suffering. Not arbitrary காலம்ல எத்தனை இருக்கு போயிட்டு இருக்கா டெய்லி, எத்தனை people accidents-ல போயிட்டு இருக்கா. How many people are suffering with so many diseases? I don't care. But I care my peti, my parent, my son, my daughter. Pain is same. Suffering is same. But why these people only cause suffering to you? Why not those people? Tell me now. Even your neighboring people. Two children are playing, neighbor's son and my son, they are playing. Both have got hurt. I am so much suffered because of my son when they got blood. Because of identity. Because of identity. Now, arbitrary காரணம் அத்தனை பேர் போயிட்டு இருக்க பாவம். என்ன ஐடென்டிட்டி இருக்கு நமக்கு? அதே நமக்கு தெரிஞ்ச மூஞ்சி இருந்தா அந்த தெரிஞ்ச மூஞ்சி இருக்கணும், அப்போதான் சஃபரிங் வரும். ஆனால் எல்லாரும் கூட இல்லையே. This means your identity is the cause for your suffering. Yes, generalization. Similarly, kutumbivat etasmin bhranti kale. When the bhranti is there, avidya caused delusion is there, bhranti kale sarireshu jvaraha tu atha swayameva jvarami iti. Sharira jvaraha, because of the satyata it has taken from chit and identified with the bodies, and this ahankara should say what? Shariraha jvarati. அப்படி சொல்லணும். பிரதம புருஷா ஏகவச்சனம்ல சொல்லணும். ஜ்வரதி மனஹ ஜ்வரதி அப்படி சொல்லணும். திஸ் அகங்கார சேஸ் ஜ்வராமி. உத்தம புருஷா ஏகவச்சனம் ஜ்வராமி. ஐ ஆம் சஃபரிங். மை பாடி இஸ் சஃபரிங் வித் வாதா. மை பாடி இஸ் சஃபரிங் வித் பித்தா. மை பாடி இஸ் சஃபரிங் வித் ஸ்லேஷ்மான்னு சொல்லணும். ஆனா என்ன சொல்றது? ஐ ஆம் சஃபரிங் வித் வாதா. ஐ ஆம் சஃபரிங் வித் பித்தா காஸ்ட் டிசீசஸ். I am suffering with sleshma, kapha caused diseases ன்னு சொல்றோம். ஆனால் எப்போ சொல்லணும்? பாடி is suffering with cold அப்படி சொல்ல மாட்டோம். I am suffering with cold. Who is telling? This ahankara, அச்சு பிச்சு அகங்காரா, அஜ்ஞானத்தோடு கூடின அகங்காரா is telling. I am suffering with cold. I am suffering with fever. I am suffering with eye problem. I am suffering with ear problem. I am suffering with backache. I am suffering. Hey, backache ahankarathiga sharirathiga. Sharira only has got back. Ahankara doesn't have back. Spine irukka ahankarathiga kadiyade. But why it is saying I am suffering? Back problem of sthula shariram. Ahankara is identifying and giving vastavata. My back pain is satyam or mithya now. This ahankara, if it has got a wise ahankara, if it is a wise ahankara, it says what? My physical body is suffering a back pain. அப்படி சொல்லணும். அப்படி சொல்ல மாட்டோம். டாக்டர் எனக்கு பேக் பெயின், உனக்கு பேக் பெயின் கிடையாது, உன்னுடைய பாடிக்கு பேக் பெயின். அதனால ஒன்று யாருமே அப்படி சொல்ல மாட்டோம். The reality is taken from Chit and taken the pain from the body, and this ahankara is suffering and saying I am suffering. அந்த சுவாமினி அம்மாக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? நான் தான் சஃபரிங். இந்த அகங்கார சேஸ் வாஸ்தவம் வாஸ்தவம் இது மன்யதே. என்ன காலு வலி, முட்டி வலி, தலைவலி, பல்லு வலி எல்லாம் வாஸ்தவமோ வாஸ்தவம். போதுமா? This is what a lot of an ajnani. But a jnani, shariram jvarati, manaha jvarati. Karana shariram is having ajnana problem. I am not having. Who am I? I am original Chit. That Chit alone I am. This lower I must be enlightened I. It has to be enlightened. Vachyartha I has to understand I am. Lakshyartha I originally, this Vachyartha I is false. Its relation with the body is also false. The pains caused by the body also false. Therefore, this Anujvara happening in the Ahankara can be totally destroyed by cognitive change. Therefore, you cannot avoid this. 3 jvarams at 3 levels. In you, the Ahankara, there is no jvara at all. In Chit also there is no jvara. Anujvara, because of your identification with Chit Satyata and Sharira Roga Jvara, you are mixing and getting Anujvara. Therefore, Anujvara treated today. Dose morning, evening, night. Mood what eduthukanum. Doctor prescription. This shloka 231, 232, these 2 slokas has to be morning one time, afternoon one time, evening one time, 3 times a day. May you all consume up to next week. Then come next week, I will give different dose. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.